Best hand mixers. Are you looking for the best hand mixers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best hand mixers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Handy Mix Scraper. The Breville the Handy Mix Scraper Mixer, BHM 800 BTR, in black truffle is a versatile, high-performance handheld mixer designed to streamline your kitchen tasks with ease and precision. Combining power, functionality, and modern design, this mixer is perfect for a wide range of mixing jobs, from light whisking to heavy-duty kneading. One of the standout features of the Handy Mix Scraper is its unique scraper beater technology, which ensures efficient mixing by scraping the sides of the bowl as it mixes. This eliminates the need for manual scraping, saving time and effort while delivering consistent results. The beater design also reduces splatter, keeping your kitchen cleaner during use. Additionally, the scraper beaters are made of durable materials that are built to withstand frequent use and provide long-lasting performance. The mixer offers 9 speed settings, giving you the flexibility to adjust the speed for various tasks, whether you're whipping up light meringues or mixing thick doughs. The ergonomic design of the mixer ensures comfortable handling, and the lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver, even for extended periods. For added convenience, the Breville Handy Mix Scraper includes an easy-to-use soft-touch handle, which improves grip and control, preventing fatigue during mixing. It also comes with a set of stainless steel attachments, including traditional beaters and dough hooks, so you can tackle a variety of recipes with ease. With its sleek black truffle finish, this mixer adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Whether you're baking cakes, whipping cream, or making bread dough, the Breville Handy Mix Scraper Mixer is a reliable, efficient, and stylish tool that simplifies your culinary tasks and enhances your kitchen experience. Number 2. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus Hand Mixer. The Cuisinart HM90 BCS Power Advantage Plus 9-speed handheld mixer in brushed chrome is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool designed to simplify a variety of mixing tasks. This mixer offers exceptional performance, a sleek design, and a range of features ideal for both novice and experienced bakers. One of the key features of the HM90 BCS is its 9 speed settings, providing precise control over mixing, from slow stirring to high-speed whipping. The motor is powerful enough to handle a range of tasks, including mixing cake batter, whipping cream, kneading dough, and even making thick cookie dough. It also includes a one-touch speed control, making it easy to adjust the settings while mixing. For added convenience, the mixer is equipped with a soft grip handle that ensures comfort and reduces hand strain during extended use. Its lightweight design enhances maneuverability, making it easy to control and operate. Additionally, the mixer comes with a snap-on storage case, keeping all of its attachments organized and easily accessible. The Cuisinart HM90 BCS includes essential attachments such as traditional beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk, allowing you to tackle a variety of tasks with ease. The beaters are designed to be durable and efficient, reducing splatter and ensuring consistent mixing results. The brushed chrome finish gives the mixer a modern, elegant look that complements any kitchen. It's both functional and stylish, combining the reliability of a high-quality appliance with a design that stands out. Whether you're whipping up a quick cake or kneading dough for bread, the Cuisinart HM90 BCS Power Advantage Plus handheld mixer is a reliable and convenient choice for your baking needs. Number 3. Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Hand Mixer. The Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Hand Blender and Mixer, RHM100, in gray/black is a versatile and convenient kitchen tool designed to provide flexibility and ease for all your mixing, blending, and whipping needs. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this cordless hand mixer offers 5 speed settings for precise control over a variety of tasks, from whisking eggs to mixing thick batters and doughs. A key feature of the EvolutionX is its cordless design, which eliminates the hassle of tangled cords, making it easy to use and maneuver in any kitchen. The rechargeable battery ensures that the mixer delivers powerful performance without the limitations of a cord, offering convenience and freedom while working on the countertop or even in hard-to-reach areas. With 5 speed settings, the hand mixer allows for a range of mixing applications. Whether you're blending, beating, or whipping, you can adjust the speed to suit your recipe's needs, achieving smooth and consistent results every time. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended mixing sessions. The Cuisinart EvolutionX features a robust design with durable attachments, including traditional beaters and a whisk, enabling you to perform a variety of tasks with ease. Its compact size makes it easy to store when not in use, and the sleek gray and black color scheme adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Overall, the Cuisinart EvolutionX cordless hand blender and mixer offers a convenient and powerful solution for those seeking flexibility and efficiency in their kitchen tools. With its cordless convenience, adjustable speed settings, and ergonomic design, it is an ideal choice for home bakers and cooks who value both performance and convenience. Number 4. Smeg 50s Retro Style Electric Hand Mixer. The Smeg Cream 50s Retro Style Electric Hand Mixer combines vintage-inspired design with modern performance, making it a stylish yet functional addition to any kitchen. This mixer is part of Smeg's iconic 50s Retro collection, featuring a sleek cream-colored finish that adds a nostalgic touch to your countertop while delivering top-tier mixing performance. Equipped with a set of durable beaters, dough hooks, and whisks, the Smeg hand mixer is versatile enough to handle a wide range of tasks, from light mixing and whipping to more demanding dough kneading. The beaters are perfect for cake batters and cookie dough, while the dough hooks are ideal for bread or pizza dough, and the whisk attachments are great for whipping cream or making meringues. This variety of attachments ensures that the mixer can tackle nearly any recipe with ease. With 5 speed settings, this hand mixer provides precise control, allowing you to adjust the mixing speed to suit the specific needs of your ingredients. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain even during longer mixing sessions. The mixer is designed to be lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it user-friendly for both novice and experienced bakers. Beyond its performance, the Smeg hand mixer is built to last, with robust construction and attention to detail that reflects the brand's commitment to quality. It's not just a tool, but a statement piece for your kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a quick batch of cookies or tackling a more intricate recipe, the Smeg Cream 50s Retro Style Electric Hand Mixer delivers both style and functionality in one elegant package. Number 5. Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer. The Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer, HM5130, is a versatile and high-performance kitchen appliance designed for home bakers and cooks who need power, convenience, and precision in their mixing tasks. Combining a sleek, ergonomic design with a range of useful features, this hand mixer is ideal for a variety of recipes, from light whisking to heavy-duty dough mixing. One of the standout features of the Braun MultiMix HM5130 is its powerful 500-watt motor, which provides strong performance for both delicate and demanding tasks. The motor allows for consistent mixing, ensuring that even thick batters or dense doughs are effortlessly blended. With 9 speed settings and a turbo boost option, the mixer offers excellent control, giving you the ability to fine-tune the speed to suit the consistency of your ingredients. The Braun HM5130 comes with a set of high-quality attachments, including stainless steel beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk. The beaters are designed to be efficient and durable, reducing splatter while ensuring smooth, consistent mixing. The dough hooks handle even the heaviest doughs, while the whisk attachment is ideal for whipping cream, eggs, or meringues. This hand mixer also features an ergonomic handle with a soft touch grip, making it comfortable to hold and reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the mixer's compact size and cord storage system make it easy to store in your kitchen. Overall, the Braun MultiMix HM5130 hand mixer is a reliable and functional tool that delivers excellent performance for a wide range of mixing tasks. Its combination of power, versatility, and ergonomic design makes it a great choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking or baking experience.